Choosing the right pool for your home in Kansas City's clay soils and weather extremes can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll share which types of pools thrive in KC and also rough budget ranges to help you plan your project. Plus, we'll share questions to ask your potential pool builder to save yourself potentially tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars of unexpected change orders or even a failed pool project. Whether you dream of a sleek, modern escape, a serene place to unwind, or a pool that feels like it's always been part of your landscape, understanding your options is the first step. Today, we're diving into two standout pool types, the artistry of hand-sculpted quartz and the timeless gunite pools. Let's explore what makes each unique and help you find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Hand-sculpted Italian quartz pools are a revolutionary option for homeowners seeking a blend of natural elegance, durability, and modern design. These pools are crafted with BioDesign's high-quality Italian quartz, creating a smooth, luminous surface that seamlessly integrates with your outdoor environment. With features like true beach entries, personalized swimming zones, and integrated natural elements, these pools redefine outdoor living by creating spaces that feel both luxurious and connected to nature. The customization opportunities are limited only by your imagination, with the ability to create benches, ledges, boulder caves, special lighting effects, circulation streams, and splash pad bubbler zones. Before we share budget ranges, remember that adding a pool to your yard impacts many things, including your landscaping, drainage, plumbing, electrical, pool decks, and all surrounding features. High Prairie Outdoors can help you plan an entire project and manage it all in-house. So consider reaching out to us for an initial conversation to make sure you plan these often forgotten items out of the gate. Investment ranges can vary based on the size, material, and features. An investment range in a quartz pool starts at $60,000 and can go up to $250,000 or more, depending on customization. This includes the pool structure and equipment, but excludes related hardscapes and plantings. Despite the initial cost, these pools are designed to deliver exceptional value and longevity. One of the standout benefits of quartz pools is their remarkable durability. Designed to last over 20 years with minimal maintenance, they resist staining, algae growth, and etching. This makes them a low-maintenance choice for homeowners. Quartz pools also offer a unique aesthetic appeal. Their natural, pond-like appearance allows them to remain uncovered in winter, serving as a visually stunning year-round water feature. Additionally, true beach entries, rarely available in the U.S., add a touch of exclusivity, while customized features like integrated boulders create a natural, one-of-a-kind look. While quartz pools offer unmatched elegance and functionality, they require skilled craftsmanship during installation to ensure quality and longevity. Partnering with an experienced team is essential to avoid issues and maintain their luxurious appearance. Regular water chemistry maintenance and occasional professional inspections are necessary to protect the hand-sculpted surface and integrated features. Custom gunite pools are the tried-and-true pool type for luxury and versatility, offering homeowners complete control over every aspect of design. Constructed using a sprayable concrete and sand mixture to form a shell and then sealed using a plaster, these pools provide strength and durability, making them ideal for intricate and sophisticated designs. From infinity edges to custom shapes and premium finishes, gunite pools are perfect for creating one-of-a-kind outdoor spaces that reflect your vision and lifestyle. Gunite pools represent a significant investment, starting at $100,000 and reaching to over $700,000, depending on size, features, and materials. This includes the pool structure and equipment, but excludes additional elements like hardscapes and landscaping. While the upfront cost is higher, the longevity and customization options make it a worthwhile choice for those seeking premium quality. Please be aware there are options for cocktail-sized plunge pools for those hoping to invest in a little less but still have the durability of a concrete shell. Designed to last over 20 years with proper care, gunite pools offer exceptional durability. Their robust construction ensures they maintain their structural integrity and beauty for decades. Gunite pools are renowned for their flexibility and design. Whether you envision a sleek modern pool, a family-friendly retreat, or an opulent spa-like escape, these pools can be tailored to any shape, size, or feature. With the ability to incorporate luxurious finishes like stone, tile, or pebble, gunite pools elevate your outdoor space to a new level of sophistication. Much like quartz pools, the structural integrity of gunite also supports advanced features such as waterfalls, integrated spas, tanning ledges, and custom lighting, ensuring every detail reflects your personal style. While gunite pools offer customization and longevity, it's important to consider the longer build time. Engineering and size-specific designs add to the timeline, but ensure a pool that meets the highest standards of quality. Regular maintenance is also key to preserving the beauty and functionality of a gunite pool. Weekly cleaning, plaster upkeep, water chemistry testing, and resurfacing every 10 to 15 years are necessary to maintain its luxurious appearance and structural integrity. Looking for something different? High Prairie Outdoors also offers precast concrete plunge pools for smaller spaces and stainless steel pools that provide a contemporary, high-end look. Each option brings its own unique benefits to elevate your outdoor lifestyle. Not sure which pool type is right for you? Each option we offer is tailored to your unique needs in outdoor space. Our team of experts is here to guide you through the process, ensuring the highest standards of craftsmanship, durability, and design. Here are a few questions to ask your potential pool builder. Let's start with the questions you should be asking any pool builder before you commit to working with them. These questions will help you uncover hidden risks and protect your investment. How many businesses will participate in my project? This is a big one. Many pool builders subcontract multiple parts of the job like excavation, drainage, rebar, or landscaping to different companies. When that happens, you're at the mercy of several schedules, which can lead to delays and quality issues. More hands in the pot means less control overall. What unexpected costs aren't included in this proposal? A lot of pool companies fail to mention critical things up front, like the cost to haul off debris, the 30-day curing process for plaster, or even basic landscaping repairs. These surprise costs can add tens of thousands of dollars to your final bill. What's included in the warranty or ongoing maintenance? You'd be surprised how often homeowners are handed a brush and told to scrub their pool twice a day for 30 days or risk damaging the plaster. That's not exactly what you signed up for, is it? Asking about these details up front can save you a lot of time, stress, and money later on. Can you show me examples of your projects you've completed from start to finish? It's easy to promise a great end result, but seeing is believing. Ask to see photos or videos of projects they've delivered, including the landscaping, hardscapes, and any finishing touches. This will help you understand whether they truly deliver a complete project or just stop at the pool itself. You may be wondering, how is High Prairie Outdoors' process different and beneficial to the customer? At High Prairie Outdoors, we do things differently, and it's all designed to make your experience easier and your project better. For example, once we dig your pool, we immediately transition to our drainage team and then our rebar team. There's no downtime where you're staring at a giant hole in your yard, wondering if anyone is ever going to show up again. This streamlined process keeps your project moving quickly and efficiently. Second, we include everything you need in one comprehensive proposal. From hauling off debris to repairing the sod when it's all done, it's all covered. There are no surprise change orders halfway through the project, and you won't end up with a brush in your hand scrubbing your pool plaster yourself. We make sure the job is done right from start to finish. And finally, because we handle everything, including the hardscapes and landscapes, you don't have to hire multiple companies or worry about juggling schedules. It's one team, one vision, and one timeline. The result is a seamless outdoor transformation that adds lasting value to your home. Explore our gallery for more information and see how our pools transform outdoor spaces. Whether you're just getting started researching pools or you're ready to start building a fresh space, contact us today to start creating the pool of your dreams. Learn more about how to plan your pool project at highprairieoutdoors.com/pools.